8071. If an engine operates with a low oil pressure and a high oil temperature, the problem may be caused by A. Leaking oil dilution valve. B. Sheared oil pump shaft. C. Clogged oil cooler annular jacket. The correct answer is A. Before the engine is shut down, petrol is injected into the lubricating oil in some aircraft engines that include an oil dilution system. To make a cold engine simpler to start in cold weather, oil dilution is employed. Oil will become too thin, have a too low viscosity for normal operation if an oil dilution value leaks, allowing petrol to flow into the oil supply during regular operation. Both the oil temperature and the oil pressure will rise. 8072. Which fuel? Air mixture will result in the highest engine temperature, all other factors remaining constant? A. A mixture leaner than a rich best power mixture of 0.085. B. A mixture richer than a full rich mixture of 0.087. C. A mixture leaner than a manual lean mixture of 0.060. The correct answer is C. Before the engine is shut down, petrol is injected into the lubricating oil in some aircraft engines that include an oil dilution system. To make a cold engine simpler to start in cold weather, oil dilution is employed. Oil will become too thin, have a too low viscosity for normal operation if an oil dilution value leaks, allowing petrol to flow into the oil supply during regular operation. Both the oil temperature and the oil pressure will rise. 8073. If an engine cylinder is to be removed, at what position in the cylinder should the piston be? A. Bottom dead center. B. Top dead center. C. Halfway between top and bottom dead center. The correct answer is B. Positioning the piston at top dead center allows for better access to the cylinder and facilitates the removal process. It ensures that the piston is at its highest position within the cylinder, providing more clearance for cylinder removal without interference from the piston. It is important to follow the specific instructions provided by the engine manufacturer or the maintenance manual for the particular engine being worked on, as there may be variations in procedures depending on the engine design. 8074. The horsepower developed in the cylinders of a reciprocating engine is known as the A. Shaft horsepower. B. Indicated horsepower. C. Brake horsepower. The correct answer is B. Without taking into account friction losses, indicated horsepower is the amount of power produced in the cylinders of a reciprocating engine. The actual useful powers that do take friction losses into account are shaft horsepower and brake horsepower. 8075. Engine operating flexibility is the ability of the engine to A. Deliver maximum horsepower at a specific altitude. B. Meet exacting requirements of efficiency and low weight per horsepower ratio. C. Run smoothly and give the desired performance at all speeds. The correct answer is C. Engine operating flexibility refers to the ability of an engine to perform well and meet the desired performance requirements across a wide range of speeds and operating conditions. It involves the engine's capacity to deliver smooth and consistent power output at various throttle settings, RPMs, and environmental conditions. An engine with good operating flexibility can maintain its performance, efficiency, and smooth operation across different speeds and loads, allowing for versatile and reliable operation in various flight conditions.